we were at Rutgers in the mid 1990s. Now, if you know the mid 1990s, this is like the second wave of hip hop. Like the first wave was, the hip, the hop, it was a little more disco, a little more rhyme. There you go. That's right,
baby.
That's right. The second wave was Public Enemy, Eric B. and Rakim. It was Boogie Down Productions. It was Queen Latifah. It was Salt and Pepper. Like it was X-Clan. It was a consciousness in that second wave. Sir. And it was part of a broader cultural movement around Black economic empowerment, recirculating Black dollars. Black Expo came to the forefront in the mid-90s. And you had people wearing dashikis and kente cloth and all kinds of cultural phenomenon taking place in that era. And we got swept up in that whole movement. Like we were all about Black economic power, Black entrepreneurship, Black jobs by Black people. I mean, that was us. And so we said, you know what? Let's not just talk about it. Let's be about it. One of our friends, one of my childhood friends, a guy named Wayne Abbott. Wayne grew up in my neighborhood. We went to the same high school and just so happened to go to the same college. But Wayne was 2 years ahead of us at Rutgers. Wayne started a business when he was a senior and we were in our second year. Jeffrey and I, Lawrence and Dallas in their first year. Wayne started a company selling Afrocentric t-shirts. To make a long story short, when we saw Wayne running a business at the age of 20, and we did not know any entrepreneurs, much less entrepreneurs our age, all of us said, yo, if he can do it, we can do it too. So we came back the next year and launched our first venture as students at Rutgers, selling compact discs out of our dorm. There was no music store on campus, so we were hustling CDs. Now, for those who don't know, CDs are the small, shiny discs where we used to buy music, and you had to buy it from a store. There was no download. I'm sorry, I got to date myself again.
It was almost like talking about the Walkman.
Yeah, exactly. Or 8-track.
Right.
So we sold CDs out of our dorm in the dining hall. We would deliver it to your doorstep, and we got our feet wet running the business, and it just took off from there. I'm gonna fast forward to the end of the story. 28 years later from selling compact discs, the four of us are still in business together. We run a multi-million-dollar company that provides technology consulting, data analytics, management consulting, research, training, the list goes on. And not only are we still in business together, we're still the best of friends. I describe us as New Edition with no Bobby Brown.